Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how to adjust volume in Lightworks. Navigate to the Audio tab. On the side, find the audio meters with blue sliders for each track. Drag these sliders up or down to increase or decrease volume for all clips on each track. If working with stereo track, adjust the levels on the LR track, otherwise adjust A1 and A2 track equal. If you want to adjust the audio levels of each clip individually, locate the white dot line running through your clip. Drag this line up or down to adjust clip's volume. For precise control, position the playhead over the clip you want to modify. Change the volume by altering the number in the first box. Positive numbers increase volume, negative numbers decrease volume. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.